has a fast fix. Krystle Rich joins us live in Sacramento with the details. Hey, Krystle.
Good morning, guys. So I am doing this segment because I really care about you, and more so your pockets. So my phone, I have an iPhone, it died all the time. Now take a look at my battery. It looks absolutely fine, right? Well, when you flip it over, it expanded. Look at all of those air bubbles in the iPhone. Now a local repair shop called Hot Tech Repairs has a solution for this, and I am joined by the owner, Derry, of Hot Tech Repairs, and he has my phone in his hand. So that means I trust this guy. So Derry, tell us what you're doing right now.
How's it going, Krystle?
Good.
Krystle, what we're going to do is we're going to show everyone how to pop it open. First things first, you turn it off and take off the bottom pedal lobe screws. And third, it pops open.
Just like that, it pops right open.
Whoa.
Now, a lot of times when you go to an Apple store, they don't do this right in front of you. So you can see the battery inside if it is expanded, what I like to call air bubbles, because that's exactly what it looks like. Okay, now guys, this is very shocking, okay? Now, Derry told me that so many people have draining batteries and they always feel like they need to buy a new iPhone. Not the case. This entire box is Apple iPhone batteries that have expanded and are no longer good.
And some of these are iPad batteries as well. Like this is an expanded iPad 4 battery. Just starts expanding to the point of where it actually pushes out the screen. And sometimes even cracks the screen or the LCD.
Oh my goodness, mind-blowing. So if this happens to you, if your battery is dying, my phone one time died on the charger. Like, when does that ever happen? You don't need to get a new phone. Most of the times, you just need to buy a new battery, saving yourself hundreds of dollars. Also, one of the other biggest problems, a cracked screen. You can come over here to Hot Tech Repairs to get it replaced. Now, tell us about that process.
Well, what we do is very similar to what we just did. Pop open the bottom screws, and we go ahead and replace the screens. Most people don't think that you can replace these screens because these big companies, they try to create an illusion that those screens are not replaceable, so you can dish out another $700–800 for a new iPhone.
I myself would go through iPhones maybe once every year, spending between $400 to $700. So to find that there is a new solution for a fraction of the cost is absolutely amazing. Now, where can people go if they want to bring an iPhone to you?
Well, we're right here on Fulton and Marconi at 2933 Fulton Avenue in the Art and Arcade area. And you guys can come on in anytime, Monday through Friday from 10 to 6.
All right, guys, check them out. I know that they work because my phone works after dying on the charger. When does that even happen? Thank you, Hot Tech Repairs. We'll send it back to you.
Yeah, I could have used this about a month ago, Krystle, when I broke the screen on my iPhone. But I had to go to the folks at Apple, and you know what happened there. Well, thanks, though. At least you got yours fixed. Fix your iPhone woes without having to deal